era of space exploration has started. Land on the moon is on sale. Cars are sent into space, and aliens do not seem so scary now. We offer you new life hacks for galaxy travels. Watch our new video and keep in mind ideas on how to look your absolute best in space. Meet Starla, a cosmic girl. She adores everything connected with galaxies, starfalls, and extraterrestrial worlds. Even black holes do not scare her. She is a fiction bookworm, and her biggest dream is to meet a UFO in person. Once upon a time, she gets deep into another fiction world, falls asleep, and... Has my dream actually come true? I find myself in another unexplored world. There is oxygen, and it's great. There are other planets. Moreover, someone keeps touching my shoulder. Is there a real representative of an extraterrestrial civilization? It's a small world. My new alien friend is hard to catch. I wonder how she can move in space so quickly. Is it due to some space technologies? It turns out that her teleportivers, or teleporting sleeves, have something to do with it. Wrap your arms with plastic wrap. Cut off the excess. Wrap your arm with silver tape on top of it so that there are no gaps. Cut the sleeve from the inside carefully. Take it off. Trim the edges. Make 2 rows of holes opposite each other across the 2 sides of the cut. Use a hole punch. Lace up the sleeve with a silver string. Tie a bow. Make 1 more identical sleeve. It is so easy to move in space and in time with these galaxy sleeves. Otherwise, aliens wouldn't do anything on time because the galaxy is so enormous. Just cross your arms and teleporting chain and sleeves locks up, so the alien disappears. To tell the truth, teleportivers might fail sometimes. My pajamas have turned into a galaxy dress in this new world. My new friend, the alien, opens up all the possibilities of my dress. It turns out it is made out of stardust, so it can shine. Fold tulle and cut out a dress top. Sew the 2 halves. Cut tulle for a skirt in half. Hot glue a piece of rubber for a belt. Layer up pieces of the tulle and put them on the belt. Fasten it with hot glue. Decorate a battery bank with silver paper and attach it to the rubber. Stretch out the light garland and attach it along the belt of the skirt, making a zigzag. I'm excited about my new star dress. Pluto Fashion Week is the right place where I should go wearing it. The stylish dress designed by Cassiopeia emphasizes the shining of my eyes. But my galaxy stylist says there's something missing. Maybe a spacesuit? Or maybe a space necklace. Some extraterrestrial technologies, and the accessory is on my neck. Draw a curved line on a piece of paper. Trace the template with thin metallic wire. Cut off the excess with cutters. Make rings on the ends. Touch up the curved wire with pliers if it is needed. Take a piece of metallic colored ribbon, pass it through the rings, and tie it up. Cut off the excess. Now my look is ready for sure. I will shine brighter than any star in the Beauty and Style constellation. I wish I could travel to other planets. I wonder... Oops! Where's my alien friend? Oh, here she is. She's like a flash as always. And there is something in her hands. It looks like a super fast means of space transportation. It's a jet backpack. Take labels off 2 identical big plastic bottles. Spray paint them in silver. Make a Turbo Boost inscription on them with pink paint. Hot glue the bottles to each other and hot glue silver strings to the back.